Welcome to Frugality for Life. Today we are going to replace the positive crankcase ventilation from the 1.6 Prince engine. You can buy it in spare parts stores such as Autodoc and even Amazon. It's important to choose the matching cap shape. Prince engine was built in two configurations, 1.4 and 1.6 liters, as a result of the collaboration of the PSA Group and BMW, winning the International Engine of the Year award from 2007 to 2014. We can find this engine in models from PSA Group such as Peugeot 208, Partner 508 and Citroën C3, C4, DS4, DS5, as well as in the entire second generation Mini and in some of the BMW 1 and 3 series. The kit that I bought contains the cap, the membrane and the spring. It's located in the upper left corner and we will need to remove it, a T27 torque wrench, a socket for the ratchet, and a bike tire removal tool made of plastic. We will start by removing the two torque screws of the upper cover. We remove the cover as shown. Now, with the help of the bike tire removal tool, we will release the 4 anchor points, paying close attention to the anchor points to avoid any broken part to fall into the motor. Now it's time to remove the oil membrane and spring, and we will clean the oil remaining in the area. This is it. Now we can mount it following reverse steps. Our Mini, Peugeot, Citroën or BMW is ready again for the adventure. If this video has been useful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and if you write in a car forum, share it to help more people and make growing the Frugality for Life community. See you!